Hey my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping by the end of it you'll want to become friends and you'll hit that subscribe button. You'll say hello to me down in the comments. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, so the Boxycharm Luxe, the last one. This is my PR box and I have looked in it. I did post on my shorts and a lot of you are all like, Karen, what happened here? And I have to admit, I'm with you. I was like, Now we know that the Icon box will be taking over by Ipsy, so there will be no more Boxycharm Luxe. And let me show you what I got. All right, so this is the one that you paid quarterly, like $58 or something like that. You get 8 items, and there is a card in here. It just says Spring Luxe. And here we go. Okay, now we got a set of brushes, and I do like them. This is the LYS. They're super soft. They're face brushes. One's a powder brush, one's I think a foundation brush. Let me just go ahead and see what it says. Yeah, this one here is the foundation brush. And then this one is, oh, that's a bronzer or sculpt. All right, let me see what the value is on these. $30. Okay. Then by Drunk Elephant, and I've heard good things about this brand. I don't think I've ever tried it. The TLC Happy Scalp Scrub. Ooh, okay, so you gotta have a healthy scalp in order to have healthy hair. So I'm all about this. This looks kind of cool. Okay, so the nifty little thing, I'm guessing you would just like that. Let me see what the value is of Miss Drunk Elephant. $36? $36. It says it's a new brand of Boxy. Well, guess what? Boxy's changing. I could have sworn we've had Drunk Elephant before. Maybe we haven't. Who knows, right? Okay, moving on. We have by Kate Somerville. What is this? Recharging serum with hyaluronic acid. $78. Stop it. I mean, come on, really? 78 bucks. I do like Kate Somerville products. Some are better than others, which is where you're gonna find what you're gonna find anywhere. Hydra Kate. The packaging is cute. Let's see. Let's pump a little bit out. Oh, that was a lot of it. Oh, okay. Wow. All right. Careful with the pump, ladies. It smells kind of like a flower, I think. I just never know really if serums are working. Who the heck knows? We'll put them on anyway. Okay, moving on. What do we have next? By Fenty Skin Hydra Reset Intensive Recovery Hand Mask. Okay, $22 value. Ooh, let's just see. A hand mask. Wait a minute. Do I wash this off? You're supposed to use it at night. Okay. What kind of, look at that. Like, what is that about? Oh, that's neat. It's a little different. Let's just put some on. Ooh, it's nice and thick. Ooh, I like. Okay, I'm excited about that. Next, we have Iconic London. $55 value. Multi-use lip and cheek palettes. It has been a minute since I've pulled out this stuff. Okay, I cannot stand it when boxes are that hard to open. All right, here we go. Ooh, that's a big palette. Pans are nice and big. It's obviously a cream product. Pretty Flush and a pop of pout. 6 multi-use dewy cream shades. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that is super creamy. Oh wow, that's very bright. Very bright. Let me go ahead. Sometimes creams work good for me and sometimes they don't. That does feel super hydrating, but I also just put that lotion underneath there, so that might be the reason why. Okay, that like blended out pretty good. Wow. Okay. All right. Let's move on. let's just see. What do we have left? Okay. Tattoo pencil liner from KVD Beauty. I do love me some black liners. This has a $22 value. It says it's transfer resistant. Oh, okay. It's a little pencil and it's little. Oh, you can push it up. Okay, I like that. There she is. Transfer resistant, but I did put lotion. All right, let's try it here. Yeah, it's a smudgy. So, of course, you got to be careful with them. Definitely set it. All right, and it rubs right off. Okay, so probably use that on the waterline. Uoma Beauty. Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara, $19.50 value. It's kind of cool packaging. Ooh, okay. A wand. See that? That's neat. I do like getting mascaras because you go through them so much. They don't last long. Okay. Can't be mad at that. All right, and then there's one more item. Guys, I did not get Pat McGrath. Like, what happened here? What is this? This is Mellow Cosmetics, the Sinopia eyeshadow palette. It has a $30 value, and I am not happy. I wanted the Pat palette. Why did I get this one? Where did you come from? All right. It's got a little mirror, and then here are the shades here. I mean, she's kind of pretty, but I don't want her. I want Pat. I mean, that blue looks pretty stunning, and so does the shade Current right here. But this reminds me of another palette. I can't think of the name of it right now. So that was everything I got in my Boxycharm Luxe. Did anyone else get this palette, or was it just me? I need to know. Let's recap. Okay, so the non-pat palette, the mascara, the tattoo liner, which is the gel liner, the brush set, the iconic London Cheek palette, the Drunk Elephant, the Kate Somerville, and the Fenty Skin Hand Cream. That was everything. I'll put the total value on the screen. I am hoping the icon box is way better. And I definitely want to know, have you seen, this was my PR box, so have you seen anyone else get that palette instead of the Pat one? Let me know. I cannot wait to talk to you guys down in the comments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing. If you enjoy unboxings or all things beauty, would you hit that subscribe button? I'd love to get to know you. I want you to want to get to know me and become friends. And guys, I can't wait to talk to you down in the comments. I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.